how to enable or disable APM alert notification on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. So here click on Settings app. Now here scroll down and click on Notifications. After click on Notifications, scroll down and click on Advanced Settings. After click on Advanced Settings, so make sure Manage Notification Categories for each app button is turned on. So after turn on Manage Notification Categories for each app, go back and click on App Notifications. After click on App Notification, click on this three dot icon and click on Show System Apps. Click on Android System and click on Notification Categories. After click on Notification Categories, you will see APM alert is here. So if you want to disable APM alerts, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see APM alert is disabled. So if you want to enable APM alerts, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see APM alert is enabled. So you will enable or disable APM alerts from here. After the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable APM alert notification on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.